Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. My kids love to play with Lego and every time they get a new set, the same thing happens. First they start by building the thing following the plan provided with the set, but after a few days they start mixing things up and creating new things from their imagination, and the same goes for the figurines where heads and body parts get mixed up as well to create new and interesting heroes. And that gave me the idea for this video. I selected 5 different heads, torsos, legs and weapons for my kids' Lego collection, and by random selection of these parts I will create a brand new character which I will bring to life in a finished illustration in my own style. Now let's get this show on the road. We will start by selecting the head of our character. Now let's have a look at the different options I selected for this challenge. You saw each head had a different number and I've put all these numbers in this bowl here on a piece of paper, and I will now pick one of those and that will be our selection. Here we go. So I will pick one number here for the head. Okay, I have one. And I've picked number, let's see, number 3. So now we will pick a torso for our character, so these are the different options I have selected. All the numbers are back in the bowl, now let's pick ourselves a torso. Here we go. So again, randomly picking a number. Yes, I have one. And I've picked the number, let's unwrap this. It's the number 1. And here we have the different options for the legs of our character. So let's select a pair of legs, shall we? Back to the bowl to select ourselves some legs. Here we go. And the number is... Let's open this up quickly. The number is 3. In the next round we will select a weapon for our character. So let's have a look at the weapons I've selected for this challenge. Here we go again, selecting a weapon. Let's see what we will pick this time. I have one, okay. And the weapon of choice of our hero is... It's number 2. And to wrap things up, I wanted my character to wear something on his head, being a hat or some kind of hairdo. So let's have a look at the different options. Now for the last time, picking something for our character's head to wear. Picking paper, yes, I have one. Now let's see what it is. The number we've selected is the number 5. Okay guys, we have selected our character, now let's meet him in some epic B-roll. During the Cold War, the United States Army started a secret Black Ops program called CSU, Cold Strike Unit. Cold, because all members of this unit are dead. These were American soldiers that died on the battlefield. Their bodies were brought back to life and enhanced by the best scientists in the world, turning them into super soldiers. The team demonstrates their superior training and physical abilities when deployed against organizations and nations that are considered a threat to national security. These elite troops act as shadows and eliminate their opponents without ever being noticed. As they are dead, these soldiers have no body temperature, are almost undetectable and are not affected by extreme temperatures, cold or hot. As they don't breathe, they can work underwater as long as needed. One of these soldiers is Cody Miller, who was killed during the Vietnam War. As a side effect of the experiments they did on him, the skin of his face turned white and his eyes fiery red. Today he operates under the codename Blizzard, and he is extremely skilled with the crossbow, his weapon of choice. Okay, the rough sketch is done, we got all the basic information in, now let's tighten things up with pencils. Now that the pencils are done, we are coming to the last phase of this drawing, and that is inking. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked the drawing I made based upon this random Lego selection. If you want to see more of these videos, please let me know in the comment section. And if you really liked what you saw, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!